Hello everyone! This time resin pour on two triangle canvases of 20 centimeters, and I primed them with 2 layers of gesso as I always do and 2 layers of blue acrylic paint, because again I want to let the background color be a part of the painting. Yeah, and I want this clear layer of resin onto my canvas, because if I pour the colors on top of it, then it will flow a little bit better. So that's why I'm adding a top layer of, no, not a top layer, first a layer of clear. Yes, and I'm going to pour the colors from one canvas to the other canvas so that they belong together. But you can also have them separately. But I think it's called a diptych. If you combine two canvases together. So that's what I'm going to do. I also taped the back of my canvases, because then I have the back as clean as possible. And if I have drips on the back, then I can take them away if I take the tape off the back, so that my back is clean. And now with my fingers I'm spreading it over the sides, so that I have resin also on the sides. And now some heat to make the resin more liquid, but also to remove some air bubbles. And also the torch for the air bubbles. If there are still air bubbles in it, then I can remove it with a torch much better. A little bit more resin. And then I start with the first color. That's the solid black, Resin Solid Black from Eli-Chem. And there you can see it. I start at the first canvas, and then I go along to the second canvas. I have something in my black, so I take it out with a stick. And the second color is the steel blue of Le Res. Very nice sparkly metallic color. I think that gives a nice contrast with the black and the blue of the canvas. And on top the Resi-Tint white, titanium white, Max. And that's a new paste of Eli-Chem, so I want to see how it reacts with the other colors. If I can get some nice lacing or cells. And the fourth color is the aluminum, the Resi-Metal Aluminium. And now I'm adding some heat, first warming it up, and then I will blow it to the sides. There you can see it. I blow the colors over each other to the sides. And then I hope I will get some nice effects. And when I'm doing this, I'm looking at the design, what I like. And I'm already getting some nice effects in the on the canvas on the left side in the white. But I want to keep some color of the canvas, the blue color. Adding more clear to the sides. Yeah, and these colors are going very well together. Also the color of the background that I have on the canvas. Very bright blue color. At the end of this video also a close-up, then you can see the effects that I got up close, and also the sparkle of the steel blue and the aluminum. Tilting it a little bit so that I get the design that I want. So you can hang these two canvases together, but also separately. And all the materials I've used are listed in the beginning of this video, but also in the description box with the links to the websites and also the link to my influencer store and my Etsy shop. So if you are curious and want to see where I buy my materials, then you can check out the description box. The torch for the air bubbles. A little bit more clear on the sides. Yeah, and I have some nice effects. And I think it's because of the white. It's a new paste, so I am testing it. So I hope it will also dry this way. Tilting my canvas a little bit because I want to have it over the side, on the right side. Doesn't move that much. So I'm dragging it more to the sides. So when I tilt the canvas, that it will flow over the side. But I need to watch out because I want to keep the part where I have the lacing and the cells. There it flows over the sides. And then I'm tilting it back. Yes, I'm liking the design, so I'm almost done with these two canvases. And then we can go to the close-up. One last time with the torch. And this is how they look after drying. So my lacing stayed, and I'm very pleased with it. There you can see it in the white and in the black, and it sparkles a lot, and I think it's because of the steel blue of the res, but also the aluminum. Yeah, it's very nice. Also a lot of sparkle on top of the blue of the canvas. I'm liking that a lot. Also the second canvas that you see now, very nice effects. There also some lacing. Yeah, I'm very pleased with these two canvases. They are smaller than I normally work on, but I also like to do this. So that's why I chose these smaller canvases. So a little bit closer where you can see the lacing in the black and in the white. A lot of sparkle. And it has a lot of depth because you can see the blue color of the canvas shining through the cells. So that's good. So in only one layer you can also create some depth if you let the background color, the color of the canvas, be a part of the painting. There the nice aluminum, very nice. So if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up for this video. If you have tips, comments or questions, place them under the video or send me an email. My email address is in the description box. Also the links to all the materials I've used in this video are in the description box. Also from my influencers, Amazon store and my Etsy shop. I want to thank you all for watching again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!